Typogram is a new web app that is aimed at styling short amounts of text such as headlines or logo types or something for your social media accounts. And people have been praising it for its intuitive interface and are asking, why is this not in Adobe apps? So I'm not seeing a lot in Typogram that isn't already there in Adobe apps, but maybe you haven't found it, so let's take a look at where you can get it. And in this video, we're going to take a look at color. If you have arranged your text and then want to apply color to it, then you can scroll down here and there are some color groups, and you see there are even more that you can get inspiration from, and you can just click and apply them. And then you have that color applied. Let's take a look at Adobe apps and where to find that. I'm going to start with Illustrator. In here, I already have the text, and if we also want to have a background, then we need a rectangle. So I'm going to use a rectangle. The color doesn't matter. Let's do that and arrange that and send it to the back. So where do we get color from? If you go to the Swatches panel, then down here you have libraries. And there are so many libraries, so you can look through them and see what you want to use. And if you want to use any of these libraries in your artwork, then what you need to do, let's go to art history. No, maybe I'm going to use food, fruit. So in order to use that, I first need to add it to the swatches panel like this. So we have color groups. That is important as well. So let's check out where else we can get color groups from, because these haven't been changed in years. These have been there all the time. There is a web app for Adobe apps as well, which is Adobe Color. You can also use it if you do not have Adobe apps, so you can use it for inspiration. And there we can see it. So there you can use all these color methods for selecting and then drag this around to see which kind of the spectrum you want to be in, and then you can get it. You can also go to extract theme and then upload a photo, and then it gets the colors from the photo, and you can move these dots around if you want to have different colors in your harmony here, like this. Or you can extract gradients, and you also have accessibility tools that analyze the contrast ratio of your colors. And there are also colorblind analyzers as well. There's another option to get colors for your Adobe apps, and that is if you have a mobile, then you have the app Capture that you can get for your mobile device. You see it's available for iOS or Android, and let's get some information on it. You can use it to also extract the colors from the surroundings or a photo that you upload. You can use it to make brushes, or you can use it to design shapes. So there are a lot of options for that. And it's connected to your Creative Cloud so that you can get all of that content into the apps that you use. Okay, so now we have these color harmonies, and we also have a photo placed in here, and then we have the text. I'm going to select all of that, and then you need this button. This is Recolor Artwork. We're going in here, and if you have black text, then first you need to go into the advanced options, and you need to click on this and turn off this option. So I have already turned it off, so we can go out of here and we can open that again like this. So this can be used to automatically apply color harmonies. So we can go to a color library and go in here and use something. So in here are the swatches groups that I have already added like this, and you see they get applied. But that's not all. So you can use this button to randomly assign them differently. You can use this slider to assign them. And you see, then we get here changes as well. So, but that's still not all. You can use this picker and then click on this photo to pick up a color harmony from that photo. We can make that lighter. And then again, we can use this switcher here. This can also be used for vector artwork. So those are the options you can use in Illustrator. If you go into the advanced options, then I'm going to assign this one, then you have even more methods to assign that. So for instance, you can exchange these two and whatnot else. It's really pretty endless what you have in there. Let's take a look at InDesign. In InDesign, I have also placed a photo and we've got those text. And also when you want to apply this to a background behind the text, then you need a shape behind that. But in InDesign, I'm only going to look at how to get colors from a photo. So here we've got the eyedropper tool and it has a color theme tool down there. And then we can click on a photo and extract the color theme from it. And you can go here into this pop-up and slightly alter that so you can make it darker or deeper or muted and whatnot, and then you can get it into your swatches. So let's do that. And you see, then we have that in the swatches and can use it from there. So that's how you can use color in Adobe apps.